this video, we are going to learn basic math. Click Python Tutorials, then click File in the top left, click New, click Python File. I'll name my Python file Basic Math Tutorial. Click OK. Type print double quotes 4 plus 5 equals 9. Then let's run it. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Press enter. 4 plus 5 equals outside the double quotes, comma, space, then 4 plus 5. Let's run it. 4 plus 5 equals 9. They look the same in the output, but in our code, they're different. There's a big difference in the code, and here, I copied everything inside the double quotes. Put a comma, and typed 4 plus 5. Python has its own calculator, so Python executes it as 9. Let's do another one. Let's print 6 minus 5 equals, then 6 minus 5. Then let's rerun it. Let's rerun it. 6 minus 5 equals 1. It's what it's supposed to give us. Let's do another one. Let's print 7 times 4 equals, outside the double quotes, space, 7 asterisk 4. Then let's run it. 7 times 4 equals 28. Asterisk is a multiplication sign in Python. Last, let's print 8 divided by 2 equals, outside the double quotes, comma, space, 8 slash 2. Then let's run it. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And that's how to do basic math in Python. The slash is the divide by in Python.